In a tragic development from Bhadrak district, the body of a 9-year-old girl who had been missing for nearly 5 days has been recovered from a canal just 400 meters away from her home in Adia village under Basudebpur block. The grim discovery was made on Thursday during a joint search operation carried out by Odisha Fire Services and the ODRAF teams. The body found in a decomposed state has shaken the local community. However, police are proceeding with caution, not yet confirming if this is a case of murder. The investigation is ongoing, with forensic examination expected to shed more light. Senior officials including SP and additional SP of Bhadrak, Basudebpur Tehsildar, Sadar, SDPO and officers from 4 nearby police stations were present at the spot, reflecting the urgency and gravity of the case. Investigators believe foul play is likely and preliminary findings suggest possible involvement of known suspects. Police have already identified several individuals for questioning and assured that necessary legal steps will follow. The body has been sent to Cuttack's SCB Medical College for a detailed forensic examination to determine the exact cause of the death.
जहाँ भी रहस्य हो ये तो निश्चय गोटे दुखदपूर्ण घटना तेणु आम तो प्रिलिमिनारी इनक्वारी आम सियोर हो जाइए जिनस कौन अच्छी तेणु जो भी कल्प्रिट इनवल्व अच्छा जिते जल्दी हम आम ट्राए कर किसी लोक भी आम लिस्ट आउट कर रखीचु आम पाखे आउ जहाँ भी हम आम देखू जमी आज दिन भर आम से सब कम्प्लीट करूँ जी भी कल्प्रिट काम कर निश्चय आम धरबू और आईनगत कार्यानुष्ठान जहाँ निजा कथा तो बर्तमान तो मुझे कहीपर प्रिलिमिनारी इनक्वारी जना पड़ूसी निश्चय किसी हो पारे हत्यार आभास जहाँ अच्छी आम अपियरेन्स आसूँ जो प्रिलिमिनारी पाइचु तेणु पोस्टमार्टम होगापर आउ टे क्लीयर हम एटी तो पोस्टमार्टम जेहेतु डिकम्पोज बॉडी आम कटक FMT पठाऊँ।